In this video, I will show you how to put Instagram on ghost mode. So there is no particular option to toggle it on or off in order to turn on the ghost mode, but I'm going to show you the ways through which you guys can actually turn on the ghost mode. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the videos till the end to get to know about it. By the end of the video, you will be able to completely ghost everybody. No one will be able to see your replies. No one will be able to see that if you have seen their replies or even if you are typing, they won't be able to see it. So this is how you guys can do it. So let's dive right into the video. So what you have to do is go to your profile and then go to the settings. And in the setting, what you have to do is go to the activity status. So what you have to do is to go to the message and story replies option over here. And in it, you will see that there's an option which says who can see that you are online. So simply go ahead and click on it and show activity status. Make sure you toggle it off. So the other option is show read receipts. So what you have to do is to toggle it off as well. So what you see in messages nudity production, you can turn it off as well. And then who can send you message requests? So you can select that, even story replies, and how can people reach to you. This is how you guys can actually put yourself to the